Hello everyone, you're welcome. This is Kingsley from KingspetDesigns. In today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how I came up with this particular 3D looking images or products branding from this particular just plain 2D image here. So without waste of time, you can see these are the whole image I use that's in the decoration of the whole package. Now without waste of time, I will show you how I came up with this. So surprise you, this is just one tool I use in bringing out all these 3D effects, which is our Gaussian blur tool. So we are going to apply Gaussian blur to this image. So I'm going to be showing you how Gaussian blur, we can use Gaussian blur to bring out 3D effects from objects. Without waste of time, let's just go straight into the designs. Now from here, I'm going to just take a shape, drag it here. Now I'm going to just zoom it a little so that I'll be able to see it well, and convert, right click on it, convert to curve so that I can be able to curve it. Then click on one side, then shape it a little. Same thing to this side. I'm going to also shape this place a little and do same thing to the top, just a little, and this side also I'm going to adjust this place a little. Now yeah, I've gotten the whole shape of that particular place. Now I'm going to create another one. I just want to, as you can see, another one here. So I'm going to do same thing to this place. Just want to be fast with it so that when I go there, I'll just apply everything together. So convert to curve, then click on this place. No, I'm just going to click on there, then adjust this place a little. (26) and see, I think 26. Let me see, 30. I think I'll go with 29. Let me just make it of 29. Then okay, you can now see how it looks. Now click on this second side. Now I'm going to just drag it to this place and duplicate it, then mirror. That's just it. Then I'll place it how I want it to be. And let me reduce this a little. Now apply same thing to this particular side. Gaussian blur. That way. Wow, you can now see how it's now the 3D looking shape is now looking, it's now out. Okay, now how to make the color blend to blend very well. Okay, just work on this. Let me make use of this. You can see I want it to go to be on top the way this one is on top, so I also want that to also align to the top of that particular shape. So I'm going to select both of them, cut them, right click on it, edit content, and bring them inside. Now this time around I'm going to highlight the inner shape and go to order, take it to the top. When I finish editing, you can now see how it's now at the top of the layer. So now that's just the simple way you can just do. Then from there just continue the whole this thing. But from there, this is the concept, the whole concept about it. You don't actually need to stress yourself maybe doing, just apply some Gaussian effects and your shape will actually come out 3D looking. Same thing, you can also apply same thing to the top, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm sure you actually know how to do this. And in case you are confused in any way, there's a tutorial. I did a tutorial of how I created this particular image, the whole full image of this, so you can actually watch it so that you will get convinced on what to do in this whole aspect, that's completing the whole image. Thank you once again for watching. In case you have any question or any difficulties anywhere, you can actually drop in at the comments box below. I'm going to make sure I answer the questions at my possible best. And also, in case you've not subscribed to my channel, ensure you subscribe. Thank you once again. Until next time, bye.